molweni. No. Sanovuka, it's 8. Spend the morning with me. Let's go, dog. Be busy, great. Sure. Like ulala we sasithandiswa ngabazali sisakhula. Kuthiwa sebusuku mntanami. Kusasa uzosula nje ubuso. Ubheke esikolweni. Okay, sharp. That's where we at, boy. Then quick update. Sathetha ngohlobo ke ngoba ilanga liza so xa nibe so andibonakali, but I'm already on my way right now. Qabile, yabo. So walk with me. Quick baqabaqa. Reason why I'm going to studio just to touch base on izinto ezimbalwa, yabo. Okay, on my birthday I'm gonna drop 2 songs. So I'm working on Low Way to drop on my birthday ingoma ezimbini. So usually abantu who have been supporting me for ixesha elide bayayazi ke ba ibhuda okoko yayibagqilazisa. 4th of October is my birthday, which is first weekend. Yabo, first weekend ku-October. Yeah, siyadropa ngala Mgqibelo, which is on the 4th of October. So ndimane ndiquqa ndibuyelela ndisiya estudio, ndimane ngoposta iziniphethi. Drop. I'm gonna drop something. So if you're not tapped in, just go on my YouTube. That's where everything is gonna drop, dog. And I'm pushing for at least can drop it with drop it with sorry, if visuals, yabo. So this bala glow way can't anybody say oh toto. It comes. Let's go, dog. I'm gonna see you when I arrive. I said, Junior. You're cool, man. Looking for cars. Mama. Me. Segway. How much we go? 55? Demon, God, the
one o'clock last spa. I'll do about 6-2. Can't go film. 6 on 5-6. Keeping on, talking.
6, hello.
Nanging 6 by KG.
No clock kill 6 and it.
Song in our KG.
Dave, point out. He hasn't doing like. And I'm going to excuse that, but can't really like everyone. He has good to do. Send Camilo, you know, Puma 5 past. Ingondo buya kan sithe 18 inkukuma libele ikhupha ngibona ngezabanye ngoku so andithi andikaqheli yeah so ngondajika ndolungisa loo nto ngufuna ndiyikhuphe emgqomeni ndiyisonge nto ndichola amaphepha zezaweza zindibazisileyo otherwise andingomntu excuse uyandazi nawe liqhawe yo
ndiyabona uba nawe usemandleni
ndimhle
nawo namandla ochola amaphepha
set up with phone. Nanzi mic. This is where I'm. Nanzi lo way icholo. Oh, nali qamza. Qamza it. Lenda. Ba. Sparrow mastering.
Okay. Yeah, passing the mixing. Yeah, in mixing. But you're not late. Yeah, we can just save it as it is, ne? And then let's just see the same thing. This is a wake up wheel. Yeah, but the original will keep it safe. Sing as we 18 as 18. So that whatever you know when that is been, you always have the first one. Yeah, so we keep it clean like that. Yeah, one.
So is it Kalin?
No, I won. I won.
Iaga Linota. Indota. I feel your power. Indota. Palada. Breakfast of the day. Dia faster. The fruit yot. Thanks. Can't be well. Savloga nje for TikTok.
Okay.
Qale ekugqibeleni sonke nathi singabantu. Ala. Banotho patanela. I don't know. Like Joe, andithi ndiyacula apha. Yeah, yabo. Like ndishaya nothi ndiyajoka but like isayivo ibe ivocal yabo nje bandithetha. But clap piece yona ba balala maseka. Yeah.
Okay.
Yabo.
Okay. Yeah, it makes sense.
Yabo. Ikhawulela.
Makes sense ngoba ndifuna uyixa soyenzile izinto still make sense na.
Sarekhoda yodwa lo leya yona.
Okay.
Balala maseka. Yabo.
Oh, but ndifuna sondeza.
Oh ithole ezantsi. Phula umhlobonene FM.
Ngiyabachama manje.
Hayi. Ndichama ba bacele.
Yetangeyja. Wazisema yabona tena. Yeah, oh, okay. I don't know English cool there. Yeah, okay. Can we just try but
Bathandekayo, it's a wrap. So dibala ngomhla ka-4 of October kwa YouTube. It's a wrap. Yosebenza phele yonke loo nto nxiba overall sebenza goduka. Thank you.